How to find the best Turo discount code. The first things first is have your Turo application if you do have it on phone or through their official site. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you out how you will be getting those promo codes by using their application or platform on their official site. So just simply pull up your preferred web browser and head directly to tour.com. And then before you go ahead and rent a car, you just might want to pull up another tab on your preferred browser and then go to this website that says couponfollow.com. Now, CouponFollow is giving us out free discount codes that we can use in no time. So once you're here, just go directly to the search bar and type in Turo. Now it will automatically be popped out on your first result. And as you can see, they have tons of options where you can choose on a specific amount of discount or a funded followed by off. So for you to be able to have this code, just simply click on show coupon code, copy it, and then paste it once you're on the payment portion of Turo's official site. So that's how you find the best promo code on Turo.